Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sampson County in central North Carolina, eastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Clinton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Carroll, Roseboro, Garland, Wade, Salemburg, Turkey, Falcon, Oakville, and Houghton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 near mile marker 61. Interstate 40 between mile markers 345 and 348. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.